So at this ESMO 2019, we have seen some important results for mesothelioma. The first phase 3 study that it has been performed and the results came out for mesothelioma have been presented by Sanjay Popat. This is a phase 3 study called Promise Meso, and patients, 142, have been randomized to receive either pembrolizumab or standard of care chemotherapy, gemcitabine or vinorelbine. Second line treatment. This is a very important study because the question if there is any role in the second line setting for immunotherapy with this drug, pembrolizumab, was exploited. The endpoint and the primary endpoint of this study was progression-free survival. And the progression-free survival was 2.5 months in the pembrolizumab arm versus 3.4 months in the chemotherapy arm. Of course, this brings all of us into delusion and all the expectations to help patients with mesothelioma in the second-line setting with immunotherapy. However, this doesn't close completely the door and the further expectation of immunotherapy for this disease. Certainly, there are several studies still running in this setting with monotherapy and combinatorial treatment, but also combination treatments are analyzed and evaluated in clinical trials as well in the first-line setting. So these studies are open and the results are awaited. Of major interest of the Promise Meso trial, we have also to keep in mind that the response rate, which was very high with immunotherapy by 22% versus 6% with chemotherapy. This is of major interest because having 20% of patients who are responding to a treatment, but this does not impact PFS, this warrants further investigations. Further studies that have been shown at this ESMO for mesothelioma is a study that has been presented concerning gemcitabine in the maintenance setting. It is a very interesting study. The PFS as well is significant, and the overall survival is not yet here, but we are very much awaiting these results. From our center, we as well presented the first CAR T-cell trial for pleural mesothelioma patient with intrapleural injection of CAR T-cells targeting FAP. This is the fibroblast activating protein, and this has been the first study in Europe using this approach for this disease. The phase 1 trials showed safety and feasibility of this treatment, and further investigations will be ongoing. This is all from the ESMO 2019, and I wish you further good continuation.